Welcome into Soda City Living. I'm your host, Madeline Stewart. This is a true lifestyle show based in the Soda City, Columbia, South Carolina. We feature anything and everything the Midlands and beyond has to offer. Today is Makeover Monday, sponsored by Micalline Surfaces. We're talking all about countertops. There are so many design options and experts to walk you through the process of realizing your dream kitchen and bath. Then it's cold and flu season. If you're feeling under the weather, we'll introduce you to the owner of a local low-cost self-pay clinic that can help. And later, we talk with a doctor about common sinus issues and solutions that could work for you. First, it's time for Makeover Monday at Micalline Surfaces. It is Monday, and you know that means it's time for Micalline's Makeover Monday. In previous segments, we told you all about the cultured marble options for your bathroom and reimagining your bathroom. Today we want to talk about countertops. We are happy to be back at Micalline Surfaces in Columbia, and Elvis is going to tell us about all the different options that you have here. Thank you for having us.
My pleasure. Thank you for including us.
Absolutely. So you have a whole showroom of options here for countertops for not only kitchen, but also countertops for the bathroom as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. And so when it comes to the countertops for the kitchen and the bathroom, the difference is that in bathroom, you're mainly looking for something that is water resistant and stain resistant. Mm-hmm. But in a kitchen, people are looking for more scratch resistant, a lot more durable, heat resistance, things like that. So we offer all the top of the line countertop options. So we have granite, we have marble, we have quartz, which is an engineered stone, and our new entry is cornerstone.
Okay.
And cornerstone is actually a new material called, a class of material called sintered stone. And the way that stone is made is it's put in a crucible at a high heat, and think of volcanic rock formation, right? It's like and it is just melted to at a high temperature to form that stone. So the benefit of that is that it has no resin in it, and it is heat, stain, scratch, and acid resistant.
Wow.
So that's the beauty of cornerstone. So with granite, obviously, it's in a darker hues, like as you can see here. And with marble, it is going to be a little bit of a lighter tone, like that. That's a marble right there.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. And
so many different options here.
Yes. And with quartz, it's obviously, since it is an engineered stone, we can control the color options. So this, as you can see, are all quartz, and this even has a nice shine to it, a glitter and depth to it.
Right.
And we carry all the top designer options as well as your entry-level options.
So what are some of the entry-level options? Do we have any right now?
Sure. So this would be an entry-level granite. And so granite, you're probably, and again, it's a very durable material. And you just have to keep it sealed, right? Mm-hmm. So, and which is not hard. And we also sell that spray to keep it sealed. And once a year, and that's it, because it's very scratch resistant, it's heat resistant. As long as you keep it sealed and wipe off any spills within a reasonable time, it is gonna last for a long time. Yeah, with quartz, the benefit of quartz is that it is non-porous, and what that means is it is also stain resistant. And you don't have to keep sealing it because it's already non-porous. And from a heat resistant standpoint, it is going to be okay for a household use. I would say don't put a hot plate straight from the grill or the oven onto a quartz countertop. It will void the warranty. But as long as you're not doing that, it should take the heat, like for a serving heat and things like that. It shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, that's the only thing about quartz.
Okay.
The benefit of quartz is obviously the color choices,
Yeah,
so
big range.
It's a wide range of color choices and styles that you can get in quartz. So the new entry I was talking about, which is the sintered stone, and Micalline, we have spent a lot of time and effort in perfecting our fabrication techniques for this particular material, because it's an evolving segment of surface. Not everybody can fabricate it. So we have, I can tell we have been very successful in getting that cornerstone offering to the market. I mean, there are other fabricators that may have the ability to do it, but we are the only authorized dealer for InvisiCook in this market, which is an invisible cooktop that goes under the countertop. It makes it cleaning a breeze,
Right.
And it is very safe, it is very energy efficient, it works on induction technology.
And I cannot wait to learn more about the InvisiCook in future segments, so make sure you look out for those. But for those who may not be aware, Micalline does a lot of services in-house. When we talked about the showers, fabrication happens right in this very same building right here in Columbia, which is so convenient because the turnaround can be a lot quicker than some other places. But for those who may not be familiar, what is fabrication, especially when it comes to countertops? What is that process?
Yes, so very good question. So we do this all day long and we forget the basics, right? So for a customer to understand, the first step for us is to come out and measure. Like say, typically if it is a new construction or a remodel, we want to make sure the cabinets are in place, because once the cabinets are in place, our measuring guy will come out with the laser equipment to template the countertop. Say, for example, this countertop would have been laser templated that generates a CAD drawing that goes into our CNC machine, which is computer controlled and state of the art for stone fabrication. Yeah, so that would be the first step, is for us to come out and take a laser measure and load it into the computer.
So say if someone wants to come in and look for a new countertop, what would you tell them they could expect?
Absolutely. We don't have any surprises, and so what we do is basically we would ask them a couple of questions. Number one would be to identify their decor, right? So like some people may come in with an idea in mind that they want a granite countertop, right? So some people may be, I'm not sure what countertop I want, but my cabinets are blue. And then was like, okay, I would like some kind of gray veining in a lighter color. So then they're talking about a material like this or this, right? So we would kind of try to understand the client's needs and their budget, So then we will kind of navigate them through, hey, these are the benefits, and how important is this look for you versus the functionality. So we walk them through that to arrive at a material that they go, wow, I want that one.
Which is exactly what I said when I saw the sparkly one.
Yeah, so because again, the beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. So what you think is beautiful is different from another customer or another customer, which is also why we have all these options for them to look at and choose from. This, by the way, is one of my favorite colors. Yeah.
Well, we do want to thank our viewers for watching this Makeover Monday with Micalline Surfaces, and we do want to give a special offer.
Absolutely, yes. So we are offering $500 off for anyone that calls us and says, hey, we saw you at WIS TV.
We want to thank Micalline Surfaces for sponsoring Makeover Monday, helping you realize your dream kitchen and bath. And we want to thank you for watching. Make sure you call Micalline today to claim your special offer of $500 off. The number is on your screen, 803-783-5110, and tell them WIS sent you. Set up an appointment to view the showroom for that VIP experience. On next week's segment, we're showing you a Micalline makeover in a Midlands home that's undergoing extensive renovations. Stay tuned for that. Coming up today, we'll tell you what to expect this cold and flu season and where you can go if you're feeling under the weather. Then, if you're suffering from sinus issues, we'll talk with an expert about solutions that could work for you.